when somebody speaks, okay, start speaking, maybe right or wrong, that doesn't matter. It is very important that you have to give more accolade to this person, because his Mooladhara chakra is well activated. First, very important point. Why? Because he doesn't have that kind of hesitation. Where comes from this? This comes from when your Mooladhara chakra is well activated. Where does Mooladhara chakra sits? Where it exists? Let's start from here. I have jumped into the well, and I will define the boundaries. Okay, so let's define the different parts of it from our experiences. Any idea where the Mooladhara chakra is? What is chakra? Any idea? Let's go back. Yeah, please go ahead. Go ahead. I think Jairaj has raised the hand. Yeah.
I think roots, you are referring to cultural roots.
Exactly. It is a root chakra, and it is very near to anal opening and genital. So it's just kind of 1 inches inside it, or 1 inches inside the genital and 1 inches inside the anal. So Mooladhara chakra. Now what is chakra? Okay, somebody will say it is a wheel. It is going backward and forward. We'll also see what is chakra. Okay, but before that, just we'll revise how this chakra will be affected. Why I said Mooladhara chakra is well set, because he has taken that chance, right, to speak, to disclose. Last time has spoken about asanas, has spoken about how our food get into our body, and that get converted into something called as energy, right? Ultimately the food get converted into energy, and for that it needs some yogasana are needed, for that it needs movement, and for that it needs metabolism. So it is a cellular level phenomena, and this whole comprises inside, which is given by our epical yogic epics, okay, is known as Pranamay Kosh. What does that means? The actual physical body. So you will say, boss, you are telling me something which is known. This is what body is, okay, and that is what digestion is, and this is what food is. See, recent researchers also said that our body is not only human body. First conception itself is wrong. We are actually the host for more than 3 trillion different organisms and cells. That creates a human body. A human body is not alone. First of all, human body consists of so many things. Apart from our body, which is rasa, rakta, asti, majja, shukra, all those things, plus organisms, plus air, plus water, and there are several dead cells. Okay, so all these things comprises of Pranamay Kosh, but that is one part of it, very small part of it. Now, this is the basic where the human body starts physically, but that is not only human body. Above that, there is another kosh, there is a layer, there is an aura, and that is known as actually Pranamay Kosh. What is this Pranamay Kosh? Anybody can say what is pran by just meaning? What is pran? Life. Very good. Okay, very nice.
Life.
Yeah, very nice. Any other answer?
Air,
Vayu. Very good. Again, inside that, Vayu is something which is connected to prana. We say prana Vayu. Okay, we'll combine that prana Vayu. Okay. Any other answer? Sorry?
Soul.
Anything living is called as prana.
Anything living is called as prana. Okay. Now my question is, where prana exists? Hands, heart, Brain.
Respiration.
Soul.
Respiration.
Soul.
Yes, respiration. Any other answer? Very good. Actually, we are very close.
Soul.
Soul.
It is called Nakshika Paryant.
Nakhashika Paranta. Excellent. Reason. The Nakhashika Paranta. What is that? It means Pran exists everywhere. Okay? Exists everywhere. Not in heart. Not in nail. Everywhere Pran exists. Now it is very important that the Annamay Kosh body, when it provides its energy to every part, then only Pran can exist properly. If Pran has not reached to hair, they are grey. Right? Or they will leave me. Right? If Pran doesn't exist in legs, the person will have weak leg. If Pran doesn't exist in brain, person will have weak brain. So, as a result of it, the conclusion is Pran exists everywhere. Pran exists Nakha Shika Paranta. Nakh means the nail, the toes nail. To Shikha is the top of the head. Shikha Paranta. Nakha Shikha Paranta. Whole body should contain Pran. Whatever cell that doesn't contain Pran, the cell becomes dead. Right? So that's why to start death is actually a phenomena of many hours. It's not that he died. The death start actually many hours ahead or even many days sometimes. And actually the last cell to die, probably the person is in crematorium and getting burnt at that point of time, probably even the last cell is not dead. A dead body will have growing nail because by that time the metabolism stops, the rigor mortis occur, but still nail will increase because nail has some pran. Okay, so pran is actually a one layer above the Annamay Kosh, that is known as Pranamay Kosh.